This is Ian with Blvd here on the tierrsanta dental office building, and we're at the flat section in the middle with what is big parapet walls here. This is called modified bitumen torch down roofing material. It's expected to last somewhere between 10 and 20 years in San Diego, and looks like there is only one layer. Holy cow, we like see that some birds like to hang out over in this corner. These asphalt shingles on the walls are, well, I'm going to suggest that we go ahead and get rid of those as well. And we wrap the same single ply roofing membrane that I'm going to suggest we use down here. We're going to wrap it all the way up the walls and underneath this coping metal here. The coping metal is still in great shape. We can reuse that. No need to replace that. We'll take it off, wrap our new roofing material up on the wall, and then put it back in place. The air conditioning equipment up here is, well, it's not ideal, but we can definitely work with it. Basically, our TPO membrane will wrap up on top, or up to right about there. This is an actual duct, or a plenum they call it, and then we will fasten the edge of our TPO material to that all the way around this base, and make sure that that gets sealed, permanently sealed. Big air conditioning equipment like this is always a challenge to deal with. We got to get our new material underneath those sleepers, or those blocks that the equipment sits on. When it's a small piece of equipment like this, it's no big deal, but larger commercial equipment like this can become challenging. Looks like we got one dead satellite that we will most likely trash, and then this one over here appears to still be in use. Obviously, lots and lots of attempts at sealing this roof, and so it is in fact time to replace it, and then get rid of these. So these are all flapping in the wind. Basically, when these were originally installed, they should have had a big bead of sealant or caulking underneath each of them, and so they are beginning to fail, and it wouldn't make any sense to leave those in place because we want it to be the same membrane that covers the floor, or excuse me, the roof, and up onto the parapet walls.